Hi guys, good morning. So today I needed to be at work at 8 in the morning. And so I woke up to my cat, George, biting biting on my foot. And my cat was biting on my foot at 6:30 in the morning. The exact time that I had planned to set my alarm, and I didn't. It was exactly 6:30 in the morning. Sometimes I wonder if that cat is actually smarter than I think he is. Frick, it is cold today! Don't worry, I'm driving slow. I just had to make that comment. Frick!
Oh, you have a flip camera?
No, it's a Kodak.
Stand in the middle here.
Mr. Vincent, Josh, your lunch is going to be at 12:15. And Miss Meyer, yours is going to be at 12.
Alright.
Okay. Our lunch is going to be 12:15.
12:15?
Mary had
Can we take him in though, because it's cold?
Mary had a little lamb, but she's as wet as snow.
Elizabeth and Josh, are they bringing the kids for snack?
I love my kids. Tell me a story.
Once upon a time, there's 3 little piggies. And one made a hay house. Another one made a house made out of straws, and another one made it out of bricks.
So there's one out of hay, one out of straw, and one out of bricks?
Yes.
Okay. And then what happened?
And then a wolf came and was gonna blow the hay house. And then the wolf said, "Let me in." And then the piggy says, "Not as and my chinny chin chin." And then the wolf said, "I'm gonna puff and blow your house down." and then he puffed and blew the house down.
Oh no, where did the piggy go?
Then the piggy ran to the straw house.
To the straw house. Is there a lot of juice in the straw house?
No. And then the wolf said, "Let me in." And then the pig said, "Not at the
on the hair, on
the hair of the chinny chin chin." And then the wolf said, I'm gonna puff and huff and blow your house down." And then he puffed and blowed the house down. Then the 2 piggies went to the brick house. And then the wolf said, "Let me in." And then the pig said, "Not in the hair of my chinny chin chin."
Don't tell me he's gonna blow down the brick house too.
And then the wolf said, "I'll puff and blow your house down." And then
Nico's scared.
the wolf blowed and puffed, but the house didn't get down.
What?
And then the wolf said, "I'm gonna do it again." So he puffed and puffed.
Is it still there?
And it didn't got down.
The brick house stayed?
Yeah. And then he was too tired.
He got tired. So then what?
And then...
Did the piggies invite him in for tea?
No.
Oh,
Then the
coffee?
wolf went away.
ran away.
And then the 3 little piggies were saved.
The
The
end?
end.
Oh, that was an amazing story.
I know that.
Oh, really? You do?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. No! I will defeat you. I will defeat you.
At the brick house.
Oh, you're a brick house. Oh, no! I've been defeated. Stop it. Stop hitting me. No, stop. I will eat you. Do it again so the camera can see.
And also, look at this.
Hello, my little alarm clock. Hey, Georgie, where you going? Need more light. Hey, Georgie. Hey, Georgie. He knows his name. Georgie. George. Where you going, George? Where you going? George. Look at that majestic cat. Bye, George. Sneaky, sneaky. Sneaky, sneaky. Ah! Sneaky, sneaky. Sneaky, sneaky. He's under my bed in case you didn't notice. Oh no. It's like the paw that emerges from the darkness. Ah! I need to cut your nails. The monster under the bed, folks. Boogeyman! Where are you, Boogeyman? Boogeyman! Boogeyman! It's angry. It's angry. Okay, I'll leave you alone, Boogeyman. Are you having fun hanging out in my filth? Oh God, I really need to clean this room. George seems to like it. Don't kill me. Don't kill me!